Good morning. It is 6:08. I got up at just after 5 and washed and done my hair. What is Alexa trying to do me today? No, I don't want to know what the yoga pose is. I come down. I was a little bit worried that we were going to come down to have all of the Christmas decorations trashed because of the cats. But touch wood, they have yet to touch anything, so they are good boys and girls. The house is just a mess because after we finished yesterday, we just went to bed. Yeah, we've got all of our snowflakes up and all the little whatever these are, the tacky things that we love. We've done some bits in the bathroom, some snowflakes and stuff. All in here. And then we've got the fake Christmas tree in that corner so that the cats, they knock it over, it doesn't matter. I'll show you the living room when the dog wakes up, but the dog is still very much asleep, so I don't want to go in and turn the light on. Look at this comfy boy. Hello. He put his hammock on there. And then these two. Look at these babies. He's so snuggly. Oh, she's so tired. We haven't bothered putting, I let the kids put the tinsel on this, but we're not really bothering with that one because I'm pretty sure the cats are just going to rip it off. Aren't you? Oh, Banana. You love your hammock so much, don't you, my man? Oh. Hey, I've literally filmed nothing today. I have no excuse other than the day just got away from me. I've been on my phone and on the computer all day trying to find a car. And that's basically it. So I'll see you tomorrow.